The RPK Way. RPK is a cooperative business group whose principal activity is the manufacturing of springs, strip forms and copper coils. The first plant and embryo of the group was founded in 1974 at the initiative of 19 entrepreneurs in Vitoria-Gasteiz, capital of the Basque Country. Nowadays, we supply customers worldwide from our plants in Europe, America and Asia. In addition to the head office in Vitoria-Gasteiz, the headquarters of our central services, we have a plant in Tarragona that specializes in the manufacture of parts from strip and wire forms. In 2002, we broke into the demanding American market with the opening of a manufacturing plant in Celaya, Mexico. In 2010, RPK opened a new plant in the city of Pune, in India, in line with our policy of staying close to the main centers of global production and thus to our customers. This expansion has been possible thanks to the fact we're a cooperative, which means that profits remain in the business as members' capital, permitting continuous reinvestment in technology. This reinvestment provides us with the financial stability needed to face market fluctuations and adapt our design and production equipment to the daily challenges of satisfying our customers. This flexibility enables us to design and develop prototypes, processes and machinery that respond quickly and precisely to customer requirements. We always work closely with our customers from the design stage to production, employing the latest technologies, such as having all units checked by artificial vision and automating the grinding process and systems created in-house, for instance ultrasonic cleaning lines and packaging in white room conditions, or cold and hot pre-stressing, designed and implemented by our engineering team. Our star products are springs, wire forms and copper coils. Significant items from our extensive catalogue include components for the electrical sector, which account for 10% of our sales, while 80% are for the automotive industry. Millions of vehicles incorporate products manufactured with maximum reliability by RPK. For instance, in safety systems such as ABS, shock absorbers, brakes, safety belts, in engines like fuel injectors, turbo, EGR, in lighting systems. All these achievements stem from a clearly distinctive feature of RPK, its foundations as a cooperative, which makes each one of us a fundamental part of the group. A team, aware that high quality standards and personal development are as important as our financial expectations or our respect for the environment. But the cooperative culture in our plants goes much further, seeking to benefit society as a whole. Examples include teaching at least 4 languages in our factories and awarding grants for students at our headquarters in India and Mexico. This smooth communication between plants and the training of group employees by technical staff from head office ensure the efficiency of the products developed and manufactured by the RPK Group. A target of 0 employee turnover, improvement groups, continuous education, development plan for personnel, etc. mean that everyone at RPK is committed to making the maximum effort and sacrifice for the common good, in the knowledge that we are always respected and our voice is heard in decision making. This passion for our work gives us the strength to face up to the challenge of new markets, new partnerships and new tests, based always on the conviction that comes from work well done, with all due rigour and efficiency, in the style that characterises us, the RPK style.